See weaver birds. A lot of weaver bird houses. Weaver birds are coming back in urban areas where forest patches are regrown. They are attracted by greenery. So weaver birds have got lost in urban areas. These shade trees provide shelter to so many weaver birds. This nest is for male bird. Here the male bird makes calls for female birds, mating calls. The mating calls of weaver bird are just like whistling. The bird nests are mud plastered from inside. They're plastered with mud. So amazing, it is very amazing. The birds have come back where nature is provided to the birds, they're coming back. So we must provide much more nature to these birds. Otherwise, these birds will become extinct. We were birds sitting on blades of date palm. Just see weaver bird.